kind of working with at the moment. The first one is Gemini's new AI software. It's updated. It's the only AI software at the moment which allows you to upload videos and transcribe videos directly. You can also play around with, say for instance, Charlie said about how sometimes he'll put a script or whatever it is into ChatGPT and say, rate this out of 10. With this software, it might give you the ability at the moment to be able to dump a reel in there and say, can you rate this out of 10? And then it might be able to give you feedback on that reel specifically to then be able to improve.
Gemini.
So there's that at the moment. In regards to carousel posts, because carousel posts are super hot at the moment, there's an AI software called Nano Banana, which is an extension from Gemini. And it's the most powerful software to create graphics. So say for instance, if you're scrolling through Instagram, which if you're not already dedicated time to specifically scroll through Instagram to see what's working in your niche, I would definitely say do that. You can pick, say for instance, carousels that are working in the fitness industry or outside the fitness industry as well. Screen grab each one, put it into ChatGPT, even if it's nothing to do with fitness, even if you just like the aesthetics and the message is good, screen grab each individual slide, dump it all into ChatGPT and say, I really like the sound of this, can you do it on this record? And say fitness specifically. It will then script it out for you in fitness. Then you can take that exact graphic that's visually good, dump it into Nano Banana and say, can you recreate this, but with this topic? And it will instantaneously just recreate the exact same carousel, but with a new topic. And that's like a hack which will save you numerous amounts of time. Unless you have, if you've not got a graphic designer to create that for you, it will save you massive amounts of time. And it's a known concept in the world.
I just don't do carousel. They take me about 4 hours when I sit there.
You shouldn't take, even like, I make kind of shitty ones on my phone using, like I literally go on stories and I'll write the text and like click save and then use them like that and they do really well. So like, it doesn't have to be like super polished and over the top sometimes.
In terms of like putting the words over, because obviously I do it all in Canva, I think that's what takes...
Just do it in Instagram. I do mine in Instagram stories.
Oh, okay.
So I do it in Instagram stories, click download, and then I'll just like screenshot and just use that.
Because Joe is fit.
Yeah.
He's doing so well on carousels.
Yeah.
But I just don't know how people have the time, but maybe I...
Yeah, if you just do it in Instagram stories and just do download and screenshot it, and then I also get the ChatGPT to write me the copy for the carousels. Yeah. So, like for example, a good way to do this if you don't have ideas would be upload all your sales scripts into AI, ask it the 10 biggest pain points of your clients. Okay, cool, give me 10 ideas for carousel posts that are 6 to 7 slides that could work for this, and then just look through which ones you think will be cool and could work. And then if you have CTAs on the back end for like a lead magnet or whatever it is, it works really, really well.
Yeah, I've just turned transcripts on in my Zoom.
Okay. The second thing on the carousel things I would definitely do is I would start removing reels from your main feed as like being previewed, and then have lots of like carousels and like stuff at the top that people can comment on, which is linked to Go High Level or ManyChat, because new people who come onto your profile will see the carousel click, and you can kind of like bait people in, if that makes sense. That does well.
So hide reels?
Yeah, you don't have to have them all in your profile feed. I would just have the most valuable 8 kind of things you want at the top for people to see, and then pull the other stuff off.
So the reels are literally just getting pushed out to wherever they are?
Yeah, they'll go in the algorithm and people see them. Or people can go to your reels and watch them if they want. But people don't...
In regards to ideas, the best concept is that Remix already use content. So for instance, if you've got content that's done well before, and you say, for instance, that's a talking head reel that you've done, it's specifically about a topic, and it's got you more user engagement than other posts. Take that for the carousel. Put it into ChatGPT and say, can you break this down into 10 like one-line sentences like using carousel? And like I said, that Nano Banana, if you struggle with creative graphics, literally just take a picture of the graphic, put it in Nano Banana and say, recreate this with this text. And do it instantaneously. ChatGPT does do it, but Nano Banana has got much, it's upgraded into the software. It's just a time step. And then one more thing in regards to creating content in general is there's a method BENDZ method. BENDZ basically stands for big, easy, new, safe/simple. So anytime if you actually Google the BENDZ method, BENDZ content method, take the description of what that is, put that into ChatGPT, and then say any real move forwards, I want you to use this method moving forward. So the big is basically it needs to sound big, it needs to sound bold, your face, which will tend to be the hook. The easy means you need to take whatever concept you're talking about, so if it's blood work, and dumb it down as easy as possible. And then whatever concept it is you're talking about, it needs to sound new. It needs to sound like nobody else has heard that before. And then the safe and simple means it needs to sound simple to do and implement, and safe enough so people feel that they can do it.
We did an ad that's gone out, and one of it's done very well, and all we basically put on the front of it was new. Because it sounds like it's new and exciting.
Yeah.
It was like new AI automated something. Now, if you enjoyed the clip, the huge thing that's happening right now is the AI revolution. This actual video and clip was fully clipped and posted by AI. No human being was involved. And this is exactly how you scale your business faster than ever before, is you use these types of tools. Yet most people are oblivious to them and don't even know how to do this. And if you're a business owner, a content creator, or a coach, and you want help in terms of how to scale your business using AI, ads, and all the latest technology that's going to give you an unfair advantage, hit the link at the bottom of this video. You can book in a call with us and the team. We will audit your whole business, show you exactly how we can install some of these systems for you. And if we think you're a good fit, we can show you what that looks like.